Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have a TODD lock. Yep, that is the brand TODD. I'll just be able to make it out on here, and it is a British standard 3-star cylinder with obviously the external side here. It's got a patent on it, and yeah, I mean it's got a really cutaway anti-snap feature here. So obviously this part of the cylinder would break away, somebody tried to snap it off, leaving the cam in place. And yeah, it's got some anti-drill hardened steel bars there. Other than that, I can't see much going on. Another maybe anti-drill pin there. We'll pick the external side and we'll give it a bit of a go. But yeah, it's a strange lock, this one. Let's give this a go. And before we do, there's the bitting. So you see, actually, you've got a very high cut, followed by a low cut, low, medium, and then super high again. So just pop that in, give it a turn. Works very smoothly. I've removed a circlip here, so hopefully we'll be able to get this. But yeah, let me find a vise, we'll stick it in and try and pick it. All right, so we are in the vise. Just going to pop this in and excuse the plaster. I lost a fight with some broken glass, and we're going to go in with bottom of the keyway tension like this, and I'm going to try using a medium hook in 18 thousandths. I'm just going to go in. This is pin 6 at the back. That's a slight angle. Look, oh, nice click. Hear that lovely positive click there. That felt really good. Back through, nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go back to pin 6. 5, 4, nothing. 3, nothing. 2. Is one binding or not? Can't tell. I don't think it is. Okay, so just go back to pin 6 again. 3, 2, 1. I like to pump this tension a little bit in case anything sort of hung up or overset. Rotating my pick round to, so going into an angle, rotating around to where I think pin 6 is here. Just testing it for anything that needs to be set. So nothing on 5, for 3, 2, 1. Okay, so just going to go in with a short hook now, see if there's anything which I can intuitively pick. Nothing on 3, 2, or 1. Okay. A little click on 3 there. I think that was a good sign. And again, go in at an angle underneath this pin, so to try not to overset anything. Then rotate round and try to pick pin 6 at the back again, under light tension. No. So that's definitely the back of the lock, so I need to come way away from that. And what I'm doing at the moment is just going pin by pin and just tapping on it to see whether anything is sort of binding. I think pin 1 might be. No, it doesn't appear to be. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, again, back to a short hook. And what I'm trying to do in this keyway is just try to tap some of these pins at the front and see whether they are set. Okay. If not, go in with a deeper hook and assume that something at the back not picked fully. Let's loosen that tension up. Just hit something at the back and we're into a bit of a false set. So that feels good. back through. Pin 1 now. Bit of counter rotation. Oh, that felt really good. Okay. And again, we're just going back through each pin in turn, seeing which is giving us any feedback. I think pin 6 might be. Do I trust it? Do I go with that heavy counter rotation? I think I might have to, you know. Do you know when you got that counter rotation going, like, oh, is it an over? Oh no, I shouldn't have gone with my instincts. Clearly there was something just hung up in there, maybe a T-pin or something. I don't know. Just tapped it, and we now have the open. That plug is going to come out if I'm not careful. So let's just lock it all the way around so those driver pins fall into the keyway. Pop in a pinning shoe just to be absolutely certain, or sure as we can be, and take this out so you can gut it. That is unusual. Can't seem to get it all the way down. Let's try with the standard pinning shoe. Might be a bit too thick. Can we do it? Yeah, that worked better. I don't know why. Let's grab a hook and pull that plug out. I'll be interested to see whether there are little T-pins or something similar in here. Could be. Okay. Nothing jumping out to me immediately. I don't like that little T-piece thing at the back of the lock. Can that come out? I don't think it can. Oh, and we've already got, oh yeah, I can see a T-pin there. Kind of push you back down. There, get in there. There, yes, there is a little T-pin. Let's pop that in. As far as I can go. Okay. Take that out, hope for the best. Oh, that, can you see? Just down in there, you probably can't. There's a little T-pin just being cheeky and poking right up. Now, which way do I want this to go? Let's start at the back, so I'll turn it this way. So certainly we'll know the orientation of these pins as they come out because, yeah, had to come out. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a beveled pin, not a T-pin, but it's certainly sticking up into the keyway as it's designed to do. Grab that spring out, which is a bit trapped. There we go, a little steel spring, next pin. There we go. Another bevel. Another heavy bevel pin. Interesting. Do you know what? I don't see many. Yep, a really nice spool. And we are missing, oh, a double spool. I've done this completely backwards. I'll swap these over. Like that, but we are missing a pin. And the reason is because this this little front follower isn't necessarily going all the way to the back, which is a bit annoying. I wonder if I can just reverse it around, pushing these springs down as I go to see if I can get to the back. There we go. Now can I somehow access that last pin? If not, I'll just pull it out and hope for the best. Yes, there it is. Oh, hold on. Well, I never. That is not what I was expecting. This is a pin-in-pin at the back. Ah. I can see it's being a real pig to put back together. Can I just pull out this horrible cam piece thing for now or not? Yes, I can. I don't know what's going on there. Hopefully it isn't like a locked cam thing. Where's the key? Hopefully it hasn't messed up anything. No, it seems to be working. But look at that, it's a little pin. Oh, and there are all the springs, of course. Well, get it all out. Oh, yeah, that's everything. So these look like nice little nickel springs with these across. What an interesting mix of driver pins. No wonder it's a little bit tricky to pick this one. Did not expect a pin in pin at the back whatsoever. That is really cool. Oh, so yeah, definitely the pin in pin's usually an anti-bump feature. Goodness knows how I'm going to put this back together, but that's a problem for a few minutes later. Let's see what's going on with the key pins. Try and keep those little steel anti-drill bars out of the way. Okay, so it looks like all the key pins are standard, which is nice. There we go. So here we go. These are what we have. We've got standard key pins for every position, then a double spool, a really nice, very tight spool which gives lots of counter rotation, beveled pins or tapered pins, which definitely will underset and might need to be picked more than once. Very crunchy. And then this pin in pin system here, which is very cool. There you go, a little T-pin inside a standard pin, just to drop back down into the keyway and cause you problems. Pretty cool, huh? I was not expecting that whatsoever. What an interesting surprise from that TODD lock. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting. If you did, hit that like. If you think I deserve it, smash that subscribe as well. It really helps me out. And I really appreciate it. And of course, if you have any comments about this lock, or you picked one of these, you know about this company, do let me know in the comments below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.